Hey y'all. Okay, let me turn the radio down. I'm in my new car. Whoop whoop. Okay, but that's neither here nor there. I am on my way to get my hair done. Okay, your girl is 2 years and 4 months locked. I figured I would do a vlog today to go through the process and show y'all the things, because it's been, I moved the camera. It's been a long time, and a couple of you have asked for an update on my hair. So today we're gonna get it retwisted. My birthday's in a few days, so I just wanted to get my hair done instead of me doing it. I did my hair last in January, and it's March 13th, 14th, 13th, whatever. It's somewhere in there. So I'm taking y'all with me today to get my hair done. So I'm late, so let's go.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew.
Y'all,
Switch to Straight Talk.
let me turn. Hold up.
And straighttalk.com.
Turn this off
for
for a
network
second.
management practices, visit straighttalk.com.
Like, the girl's hair is done. Do you remember the little bush I had in front? It's gone. Okay, and the girl's hair is long. I'm gonna do a better clip of my hair and then like sit down and talk to you guys about what's been happening with my hair over the last, because I haven't updated y'all in over a year, I feel like, right? I'm gonna update y'all on how that's going. I'm about to get some lunch and then head back home, and then I'll set the camera up and talk somewhere in my house. I don't think my kids will be home yet, so we should be good. But the girl did it, all right? And listen, the girl I went to before this months ago, because I be going to people sometimes, not people, some people, she hurt my head so bad. Courtney got me together. Hair goals is goals, because honey, y'all think I should touch up the color or let it just keep growing out? I'm feeling like I might need to touch it up. Maybe not put it like right at the roots, but just move it up. But I don't know. I'm gonna see y'all when I get home. It's hot. I gotta turn this AC back on. Y'all playing. All right, let's go. We're home. I've been home for a while. I went to get my kids. We went for a walk, and now they're eating ice cream. So I'm just gonna come over here and give you a quick update. So I have now been locked for 2 years and 4 months. No regrets. I've had one moment somewhere in that time span when I was like, I kind of wish having like a slick down. But then I just put my locks down and put them back, and I was like, oh, feeling gone. I love them. Like I said from the very beginning, the thing I probably struggled the most with is just when it's bushy and all over the place, and I can't really look like this. So it's really about me trying to figure out other ways to take care of it, to at least let it last 2.5 weeks before I'm like, eh. So that's one thing. Other than that, the girl is flourishing, okay? The girl is flourishing. I was just telling my husband that I think I might dye my locks like up to here, like just touch up the color to this point, you know, like just up to this point, but not to the roots. So that may happen or may not. I don't know how much I care, but I kind of care right now, so we'll see. But other than that, like, just check your girl out, okay? Check her out. Like, I am so happy with my decision. I haven't felt the need to take them out, other than what I just mentioned. I'm trying to look at you and think, but other than what I just mentioned. But yeah, it's my birthday in a few days. I'm going to try to let this retwist last a while, and then I'm going to make my next appointment today. In like I'm going to go in like 6-7 weeks. That's what's going to be my time span. And I think I'm going to get 2-strand twists next time, just to get a little pizzazz, okay? But yes, if you have any questions about my hair, please leave it below. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't do as much as I should. In the beginning, probably the first year or so, I was hydrating every day, And now I just, honestly, I don't. I hydrate every couple of days. Whenever I think about it, like my hair be dry. Like, that's just the reality of it. But it's doing its thing, you know. My curls at the bottom that are still there, you can barely see really see them, but I am considering combing some of my ends out further up than what they are, because I mean, some of them are still out. Like, they're just really small curls. Like, here's one, you know. So I'm thinking about going through and combing out my ends when I wash it next time with conditioner, just to get more curl back, because my hair has definitely just locked up for the most part. But I got a little bit. I still got some curls on there, and they're still giving. So it's like, do that or not do that. Nevertheless, if you have any questions about my hair care routine or anything, please leave it below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now back to our regular scheduled programming, micro locks, and all the things. Bye!